Hi friends, welcome back to my channel Get Perfect, and my name is Vismay. So in today's video we are going to learn about some smart tips which can help you do your work easier, right? So these are formulas which we are going to learn today. These are some Excel tips and tricks. So the first formula is left, open bracket, close bracket. This, what does it do? It helps to extract characters from left inside a cell. What does the right formula do? It will help us to extract characters from the right side of a cell. And the mid formula will help us to extract characters from the middle of a string. I'll tell you how. First, let's understand what we are going to learn today. Length, it helps us to give the entire characters, how many number of characters are there in a specific cell. So it will give you the length. And concatenate, if there are two or more cells and you want to merge them in one single cell using a text or a space in between them, how to do that. I'll also give you a bonus tip in the end of the video, so please stay tuned to the video. Okay, so let's start. And let's have an example. Say my name, Vismay space Vijay space Rane, and in this also I'll give a space. Okay, I'll just zoom this for you. Okay, is it visible now? Yeah. Okay, now first is left. So suppose first let's see how much is the length of this. Okay, length would be LEN, open bracket, select the cell, close bracket. The length is 20. Suppose if I go inside the cell, enter, just type space, one space, and I press enter, the length changes to 21. I go there and again delete that space. 20. Great. So I understood the length of this entire cell is 20. Now I'll copy the same, Control C and Control V. If you have not seen my first video where I've shown what is Control V and Control C, you can check it in the I button. I'll keep a link over there. Okay, now let's assume I want to extract this Mr. MR out of this string. So how to do that? So I want to know what are the left is from this is the left side. If you are sitting facing to a screen, this is the left side and this is the right side. So left, open bracket, I'll select the text from which I want to extract, comma, I want to extract two characters, comma 2, bracket close, Mr. See, now I want to extract it from the right side. I know RANE is 4 characters from the right. So RIGHT, open bracket, select this cell, comma 4, Rane. Right? Now I want to extract Vismay from the middle. So this is 2 plus the space, and Vismay is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 character. So I want to extract Vismay separately. So MID, open brackets, select the cell, comma, now it's asking me to give the start number. So the start number, what would be the start number? MR is 1, 2 and a space 3. So the start number would be 4. V starts from the 4th character, comma, how many characters after the start number? So as we counted, the length of the name Vismay is 6 character. So I press 6, close bracket, enter. See, Vismay. So I'll repeat, MID, open brackets, the cell from which you want to extract the name, comma 4. 4 is the start number from where we are starting it. So MR is 2 plus the space sign is 3. So V starts from 4, comma, how many characters you want to extract from the start number. So 6 characters, 6, and I get this number. Okay, so same way you can do this for Vijay also. If I want to extract Vijay, so Vijay is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 characters. So MR plus space 3 characters over here, then Vismay is 6 plus space 7 characters over here. So 3 and 7 is 10 and the space would be 11. So MID this comma start would be from 11 comma how many 5. We counted how many characters is Vijay. See, hope you understood how to do it. If you haven't, please go through the video again, and if you have any questions, please don't forget to comment in the description box, in the comment box. I'll definitely answer all your questions. And yes, if you like what I'm doing, please hit that like button now, and if you have not subscribed to this channel, please subscribe to this channel and hit the bell icon so that you get notified every time. Okay, so let's jump on to the last formula for this video, that is concatenate. Suppose I say Vismay, Vijay and Rane. I want this in the one cell as it is here. How to do it? Using a concatenate formula. C-O-N-C-A, see here, press tab, select this first cell, comma, inverted comma, space in between. I want a space in between these two names, comma, select the second cell, comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, comma, the last character, and close bracket. See, suppose I want to enter Mr. in front of that. It's nowhere written over here. So how to do that? Concatenate open brackets. I'll type Mr. Close bracket, comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, close bracket, Vismay, comma, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, Vijay, comma, just drag this over here, inverted comma, space, and Rane, close bracket. See, Mr. space Vismay Vijay Rane. Great. So now it's time for the bonus tip. Ta-da! So even if you don't use this concatenate formula, there is a shortcut to do a concatenation. Okay, equal to, I select this first cell and I press and is shift and number 7, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, again and, then the second cell and, inverted comma, space, inverted comma, and the last cell, and press enter. See, this is the same result which we have got using a concatenate formula. So now we can do this. If I want to add Mr. also, I'll just add Mr. and Vismay. Okay, so equal to Mr. and inverted comma, space, inverted comma. So instead of comma, here we are using and, comma we are using when we are using a concatenate formula to separate the two strings. Okay, and then the cell and enter. See, Mr. Vismay. If I want to enhance this formula with my father's name and the surname as well, I can do inverted comma, space, inverted comma, and my father's name, then again this inverted comma, space, inverted comma, and Rane. See, great. So hope you understood the simple but very effective formulas of Excel. This will really make your life easy when you're using Excel in your day-to-day activities. So guys, please don't forget to like, comment your feedbacks below, and also subscribe to my channel. And if you think these videos are useful, please share it with your friends and relatives so that they also find it useful when they work on Excel. So thank you for watching this video. Please do take care of yourself. Bye.